Welcome to Blockchain Explained. In this video series, you will learn everything you need to know about blockchain technology and distributed ledger systems. Blockchain is one of the most transformative technologies of our time, powering cryptocurrencies, securing data, and revolutionizing how organizations record and verify information. Whether you are completely new to this topic or have some basic knowledge, this comprehensive guide will help you understand how blockchain works, its real-world applications, and why it matters in today's digital world. Blockchain operates in 4 key steps. First, a new transaction enters the network with all relevant details. Second, all computers in the network, called nodes, verify that the transaction is valid and authentic. Third, once verified, transactions combine together to form a new block of data. Fourth, the nodes reach an agreement and cryptographically link this new block to all the previous blocks in the chain, creating an unbreakable chain of records. Blockchain has 6 essential components. Blocks are containers that store transaction data, timestamps, and unique identification codes. Nodes are the computers in the network that maintain copies of the entire blockchain. The ledger is the distributed record of all transactions ever made. Cryptography uses mathematical algorithms to secure data and verify transactions. The peer-to-peer network allows computers to communicate directly without a central authority. Finally, consensus is the mechanism that all nodes use to agree on which transactions are valid before adding them to the blockchain. Blockchain technology offers 6 major advantages. Enhanced security uses cryptographic protection to prevent fraud and unauthorized access. Immutability means once transactions are recorded, they cannot be changed or deleted. Transparency allows all network participants to see the complete transaction history. Efficiency enables faster settlements and reduces transaction times compared to traditional systems. Cost reduction eliminates intermediaries and reduces fees significantly. Traceability provides a complete audit trail, showing the journey of any asset from its origin to its current state. Blockchain is being applied across multiple industries. In finance, it enables cross-border payments and automated smart contracts. Healthcare uses blockchain to maintain secure patient records and track pharmaceutical supply chains. Supply chain management uses blockchain to verify product authenticity and track items from manufacturer to consumer. Government agencies use it for voting systems and land registry management. Media and digital assets use blockchain for copyright protection and proving digital ownership through non-fungible tokens. Finally, the Internet of Things uses blockchain to create secure networks of connected devices. Several important trends are shaping blockchain's future. Interoperability focuses on creating solutions that connect different blockchain networks together. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is expanding to include real-world assets and banking services. Enterprise adoption is growing as organizations use blockchain for supply chains and data management. Green blockchain develops energy-efficient consensus mechanisms to reduce environmental impact. Regulation is becoming clearer as governments establish frameworks for blockchain use. Artificial intelligence integration combines blockchain with AI to enhance security and automation capabilities. Despite its potential, blockchain faces several challenges. Scalability is a major issue because some blockchains process transactions slowly during high-volume periods. Energy use remains high for certain consensus mechanisms that require significant computational power. Interoperability problems exist because different blockchain networks cannot communicate easily with each other. Security risks include 51% attacks where a majority of the network could be compromised. Regulation uncertainty exists globally as legal frameworks continue to develop. Storage challenges emerge as growing ledgers require increasingly large amounts of digital space. The blockchain market shows strong growth projections. In 2025, the market is valued at approximately $57.7 billion. By 2026, the industry is expected to surpass $100 billion. By 2030, long-term projections suggest the market could reach $1.4 trillion. This exponential growth reflects increasing adoption across enterprises, financial institutions, and governments worldwide. Current blockchain statistics reveal significant market momentum. The industry is valued at $41.15 billion in 2025. The projected compound annual growth rate from 2025 to 2030 is 90.1%, showing explosive expansion. By 2030, the market is expected to exceed $1.4 trillion. Annual transaction volume reached $10 trillion in 2024. North America accounts for 46% of the global market share. The payments sector represents 45% of all blockchain applications. Enterprise blockchain adoption is accelerating rapidly. 68.5% of large Fortune 500 companies have shown strong interest in blockchain solutions. Financial services leads adoption with 39% market share in the blockchain sector. Governments worldwide are implementing blockchain systems, with Dubai fully adopting blockchain technology. Startup funding in blockchain is robust, with first quarter of 2025 seeing $3.8 billion invested in crypto and blockchain startups. The future of blockchain holds tremendous opportunities. Mainstream adoption will continue as institutions and consumers integrate blockchain into everyday transactions. Cross-chain solutions are being developed to bridge different blockchains together into unified networks. Sustainability focus is shifting consensus mechanisms toward energy-efficient models that are carbon neutral. Education and talent development is expanding to build an expert workforce and establish industry standards. These trends position blockchain as a foundational technology that will reshape finance, supply chains, governance, and data security for generations to come.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.